How to create Apple ID if you do not have any email address. So let's get started. First of all, open the Settings app on your iPhone or iPad. Now, tap on Sign in to your iPhone at the top of the settings screen. Then tap on the Do not have Apple ID at the bottom to create a new one. Now here you'll have to enter your first name and last name. Enter your first name and last name and the birth date. And once done, so tap on the next option available there. Now here, if you do not have an email address, simply type there that you do not have it. Tap on the I don't have an email address, and now Apple will let you create your own email address, iCloud address for the Apple account. You can create an Apple email address right now here. Make sure to add your name and @icloud.com at the end. Now you'll be navigated to the area where you'll have to enter your Apple account password. Create a password that's at least 8 characters long with a mix of numbers, uppercase and lowercase letters. Then tap on the next option available there. Here, all you have to do is enter your phone number and a verification code will be sent to your phone number. And once completed, your Apple ID will be created. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.